Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Give me a minute. Doing. Yep. So welcome guys, welcome to the live stream. Now we will analyze gold. What is my trade plan for now? Now, if we can, zoom out a bit on the 1 hour time frame, what do we see? We see a very big bullish rally move, right? Then from the 382 to 0.5, it has hit a pin in the 1 hour time frame, if you can see here. Then it has started to go up, right? Now, why I did not take in this pin, that's a story I will tell you. And what will I plan now? That is also going to be discussed now. Trend is bullish, so better staying with the trend, right? So this was an indication of a slow selling, right? The trend line was broken, immediately liquidity was grabbed, and then an up move was shown. Now my plan was that it will come here, give a pullback, hit this zone again, fresh liquidity, and then give an up move towards the all-time high. But I was wrong, and what happened was it went straight, right? I was not entering here because the stop loss was being too big, and my risk reward was just about 1:2 or something. I'm not in for 1:2, I'm in for more than that. And my stop loss is ideally between 40, it is ideally less than 50 pips max to max. And if I, see the stop loss, it was coming to about 62 pips. So, yeah. So I was not willing to take it. As of the next, what is the plan is now? It has shown bullishness, it has confirmed bullishness. I was even expecting this pullback to form a bit deeper. It is called the black box failure setup that I personally trade on, and I love trading on this setup because it gives me a very small stop loss and a very big rally to capture. So if it comes here again back to the zone, proves the fake out, and then hits this zone again, I enter this with this stop loss and a big target. So it was pretty much a huge potential to capture. So that was the plan, but unfortunately it did not happen as per plan. Now I will show you. There is something interesting in gold that happens. Okay, one pattern does not repeat itself more than 2 times in a consecutive days. So if we can see, what happened was, this is an M pattern formed, right? Breakdown, lower low, a retest at this zone, right? Retest happened, then pullback came, and then look at this. Look at the candles here. Slow buying, spike, right? I will show you what happened yesterday. Okay, now M pattern, retest multiple times, retest again, pullback, slow buying, spike, right? So this was practically impossible to predict. I entered way before that. I entered here in this M trap, entered here around this. So averaging, I kept on averaging to the upside, and my average price was somewhere here, but that is not the question. Now the question is, will it follow the same pattern? I don't think so. Now what can potentially happen is that it has hit this, it has almost come to this zone again, this resistance zone, right? So it kind of forms multiple tap or the invite setup. So what we can predict is it will break this trend line, grab the seller's liquidity, and then again spike. So this will be our plan. So if it closes below this trend line, below this zone, and then again comes back in here, we will slowly start adding the quantity. I am personally trading with 2 or 3 0.02 or 0.03 lot. So I will slowly enter. So this will be my first entry. Then depending on the behavior, I will plan my second entry. Stop loss will be somewhere out here. Depending on where the pullback is, then we will plan the trade like that. Now, for now, gold is bullish and we will plan a bullish trade no matter what. Okay. Yeah. So that is it for now. Yeah. So guys, please react if you found my analysis proper and if you are convinced with my analysis. Please react. Please react. If you want a history, the trade history of yesterday's stream, then you can see here. This was the trades. This was the lowest point. No, this was the lowest point of entering. See, 9.6. Then 9.9 I entered one, 8.0 I entered one. So like, yeah, that is it. It is like split entry because I was very apprehensive entering the first lot. I was not very confident because it was moving like straight up and down. Is there a modification that we can make to this trend? Let us see. No, not really. Oh yeah, actually, yeah. Wait. Yeah. The trend line is intact, brother. The trend line is intact. We will. Our plan is also intact now because oh sorry. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhat like this will be our move. And guys, this won't be a very big trade because yesterday has been big rally. However, there are many technical patterns that suggest a potential big move. There are people who do this and then calculate the same move after the breakout, in which sense it should go to around 2877, right? And I don't think this will happen, not anytime soon. Maybe on the longer time frame, yeah, maybe on the longer run it might happen, but we are here for ultimately short trades, right? We are here for what? We are here for intraday trades, so we would not capture big moves. We will capture big moves, a decent move, not a very big move, not a very small move. We will capture at least 80 to 80 pips onwards. That is our goal. Let us wait and watch what will happen, right? Trading is basically 95% waiting and the remaining percent is execution and the precision of the execution. So guys, there's a small delay of around 20 seconds from the live stream and my screen. So what I will do, I will not give you on the spot trades asking you to buy now or like immediately buy or something like that. I will tell you in advance what is going to happen, what how I will be planning my trade, and you can plan your trade accordingly. Yep. Because of the time delay, I know the prices might go here and there by the time you listen to me and by the time I execute that. So yeah, as expected, as planned, the red candle is being formed. Let's wait and watch. Meanwhile, if you have any analysis from your side, you can maybe put out in the chat. You can put out in the chat and we will plan that accordingly. Okay, a closing below the trend line, what we wanted. Okay, now all we want is a closing below this horizontal level as well. And yeah, the level is precise. You can check for the markings. This is my, according to me, a perfect level. Let's see what the reaction is. I would love if the market, comes here, halts, gives a breakout. Then it's a beautiful trade. I just wanted to come and spend some time here, maybe an hour or two, and then boom, this will be a very good trade to catch, because this involves sellers liquidity here, then buyers stop losses. These buyers who entered in FOMO out here, their stop losses, and yeah, we want that. We want the liquidity. Right? That is the ultimate goal for us. And where there is liquidity, there is a move. So we can target 2829, guys. 2829 will be the target, not the all-time high. 2830 is a round number, so we will consider exiting before that. But if you have 2.02 or more lot, consider exiting one lot out here after this zone gets broken, because here anything can happen. It's a liquidity zone. If it halts here, then exit full quantity, because then it's an obvious breakout. See, trend is bullish. All the W traders and other trend line breakout traders will enter probably here because it's a horizontal level breakout, right? And then in such cases, it can possibly reverse. Give me a minute, guys. Give me a minute, I'll be back. Hello? சொல்லுமா ஒன்றும் என்னாச்சு? அந்த பையன் கூட ஏதாவது ஆச்சா? நான் கசமுசா பற்றி கேட்கவே இல்லை, நீ ஏதாவது எடுத்துக்காது. சரி, வாட் அபௌட் அதுதான் நானும் எடுத்து கேட்க வந்தேன், ஸ்டெல்லா விட்டுருவாங்க அப்படின்னு. அப்போ ஒன்று பண்ணு, get a BCom diploma. BA தானே பண்ற, get a BA diploma, first year மட்டும் முடிச்சிட்டேன் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி, drop out of that college and then join in Ethiraj. இல்லையா, இப்போ நியூ எஜுகேஷன் பாலிசி படி டிப்ளமாஸ் கிராண்ட் பண்றாங்க. Diploma is basically half-baked graduation. So first year முடிச்சிட்டு, if you clear all the SEM without any arrears and you decide to drop out of the college, they will have to give you a diploma saying that you have completed the first year, and then you can use that diploma to continue your degree elsewhere. That is an option across India. Auntie? Yeah? சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க ஆண்டி, சொல்லுங்க. ஓகே, அது அவ தான் சொல்லணும். Are you sure? எத்திராஜ் கிட்ட பேசியாச்சா இதை பத்தி, டிப்ளமா பத்தி பேசுனீங்களா? ஓகே, அப்படியா? இல்ல, நீங்க டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்னு சொல்லாம டிராப் அவுட்னு மட்டும் சொன்னா அப்போ கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்களா? ஓ கரெக்ட், ஆமாங்க. அது அது எனக்கு அதை பத்தி எனக்கு சுத்தமா ஐடியா இல்லை ஆண்டி. ஓகே, அதுவும் கரெக்ட் தான். மேக் சென்ஸ். மறுபடியும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்லேருந்து கண்டினியூ பண்ணுறது இஸ் நாட் அ குட் ஆப்ஷன், நாட் அ குட் ஐடியா அட் ஆல். நான் அதுதான் டிப்ளமா சஜஸ்ட் பண்ணேன். நான் டிப்ளமா இல்லைன்னும் போது if she is ready to go through that 1 year again, maybe you can consider shifting to Etiraj. Freedom. Completely valid. Correct. அதுவும் நல்ல ஐடியா தான் ஆக்சுவலி. ஒரு வருஷமே வந்து எவ்வளோ பெரிய டைம் மாதிரி தெரியுதுன்னு கேளுமா. ஹாஃப் இயர் தான் இருக்கு. அப்போ ஒரு செம் தானே முடிஞ்சிருக்கு. அப்ப இப்ப டிராப் பண்ணா ஒரு செம் தான் லூஸ் பண்ணுவா. ரியா மாறிடுறியா, யோசிக்காத. வாஸ்தவம் தான். ஆமா கரெக்ட். சோ மாறுறது இஸ் a wise choice. கரெக்ட். இப்போ எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் கரெக்ட், மேக் சென்ஸ். இப்போ அவளுக்கு ஒருவேளை எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் பிடிக்கலன்னா இன்னொரு கோர்ஸ் கூட ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கலாம், அந்த ஆப்ஷனும் இருக்கு. அது கரெக்ட். அது அங்கதான் கேட்கணும், இங்க எதுவும் பண்ண முடியாது. சரி ரியா, இனி பால் வந்து உன் கோர்ட்ல இருக்கு, நீ தான் முடிவு எடுக்கணும். உனக்கு ஐடியா எப்போ கொடுத்தாச்சு, உனக்கு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் பர்சியூ பண்ணணும்னா எதிராஜ் போ, நாசமா போகுது அப்படின்னு போனா ஸ்டெல்லா போ. இப்போ உனக்கு லூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஒரு செம்மு தான் இருக்கு. கெயின் பண்றதுக்கு 5 செம் இருக்கு. யோசிச்சு பாரு. எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் பிடிக்கலன்னா வேற கோர்ஸ். அண்ட் உனக்கு அவ்வளோ ஃப்ரீடமோட மேபி நீ டபுள் டிகிரி கூட பண்ணலாம். டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எஜுகேஷன்ல ஒரு டிகிரி ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கோ, டபுள் டிகிரி கூட அட் அ டைம் பண்ணலாம். You will be repeating one more sem, அவ்வளவுதான். அடுத்த 6 வருஷம் உனக்கு ஃப்ரீ. இப்போ டிராப் பண்ணனா அப்போ வந்து நல்லா உட்காந்து புரட்டி எடுத்து உன் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் டிசைட் பண்ணி கோர்ஸ் அப்புறம் டிசைட் பண்ணிக்கோ. இப்போதைக்கு உனக்கு கரண்டா நீ டிசைட் பண்ண வேண்டியது ஸ்போர்ட்ஸா எஜுகேஷனா ஆர் You want a balance of both. You want both now? Then obviously no point continuing in Stella. Hey, bye. Okay, guys. Yeah. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. And thank you for waiting. Let's get into the trade now. Oh. Okay. Are we ready to trade? Are we ready? Yes, we are. Just 20 seconds, 10 seconds will determine whether it will close down or up. Come on. Okay, doji. Doji. That is a wonderful sign. Above the doji, we can consider our buy entry. Above the high of the doji and back into the zone. Yeah, so adjust this zone a bit towards that. Yep. Yes. No, the zone will not be adjusted. It is here. This is the valid zone. Yes, this is the valid zone, and the close is yes below that. So what will you do? We will enter above when it comes back into this zone. That is 2817.62. We will make a systematic entry. Okay. We will give a little buffer, 35 pips. Okay, a little buffer for it to move in and around, right? Or even 38 pips, because yeah. So here you will have around, okay, it is not, I think, going as per plan. Okay, if it taps this bottom zone is also fine. That also we can, if it comes like this and back here, this would be better actually. As I said, my black box failure setup, my favorite setup, one of my favorite setups. I also have the halt before reversal like this one. So this retest setup and the black box failure setup, that is my favorite setups. And if you want me to make a video explaining all these setups in detail, probably I will make it for you, but I would need an support. I would need the response from you guys for doing so. Now let's see. It has broken the zone. Let us see if it halts here or how it reacts. Based on that will be our decision. Okay, okay, okay. That's great. Okay, okay, okay. I need this liquidity sweep. Come on, guy. Come on. This is what I need. Okay, guys. With this, let us wrap the stream. As I said, the plan is pretty much like this, or if not, just the sweep and then again a move. So, yep. With that, I take your leave.